Hi everyone, welcome back. Setting up a custom domain for your support portal in this video. I will show you how to map, change, or remove a custom domain on BoldDesk. I will also explain how to change or rename the custom support URL when you sign up. You will get a support portal with the domain example.bolddesk.com. However, for white labeling, you may need to change the support URL to support.yourcompany.com to make it look like it is part of your company website. Let's look at how to achieve this by using a custom domain feature. To map a custom domain, navigate to the Customer Portal Settings page in the Admin Center. Under the General Settings section, select the brand for which the custom domain should be mapped. Then click the Map Custom Domain button to change the selected brand's custom domain. Here, enter the custom domain in the dialog box that appears. And then click the Update button to map the custom domain for your brand. Before clicking the Update button, ensure that you have added a CNAME entry in the DNS server settings page of the DNS provider. Whatever your company is using, GoDaddy, Google, etc., you have to add a CNAME record. For example, support.yourcompany.com, pointing to soper.bolddesk.com. Use only CNA. Do not add a record entry. Use only a subdomain and not your root domain while adding a CNAME record. Your custom domain will be activated shortly. It may take up to 72 hours for DNS propagation. Until the custom domain is activated, you can use the default BoldDesk domain URL next to change a mapped custom domain. Click on the Change button in the Customer Portal Settings page. Then enter the required custom domain. You need to change in the dialog box that appears, and then click the Update button to change the custom domain for your brand. There are a few consequences you need to consider before changing a custom domain. They are: the old URL can no longer be used to access the portal. The BoldDesk website will not set up a redirect for the old URL. You cannot reclaim your old URL if it is taken by another user. To use the new URL, you must reconfigure your email forwarding and single sign-on settings. Emails that have already been sent may show broken links for all tickets, including those with file attachments and images. It is recommended that you enable a social or form login before changing the subdomains. You only have an Oath or OpenID login enabled, and just one brand is active. Now, let me show you how to remove a mapped custom domain. You can remove the mapped custom domain by clicking the Remove Custom Domain button in the Custom Portal Settings page, and then click the Remove button. You need to consider the consequences before removing the custom domain. Let me explain how to change the BoldDesk subdomain. When a custom domain is not mapped for your help center, to change the subdomain, select the brand for which the subdomain should be changed in the Customer Portal Settings page. Then click the Change button. Enter the subdomain information in the dialog box that appears, and then click the Update button to update the subdomain for your brand. Before clicking the Update button, consider the consequences of changing the subdomain. In this video, I have explained how to map change or remove a custom domain in BoldDesk. I also explained how to change or rename the subdomain name without changing the default domain name. Hope this helps. If you found this video useful, do forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching us.